First of all, good morning to all of you. Let us start by the grace of great Vaheguru. Laser. Okay. Before going to start the laser, first of all, we will start from the full form of the laser. What do you mean by full form of laser? Light, amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. यार खाना नहीं खाएगा? ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं किया? सिंगल वास में बोलिए. Light, amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. एक बार उससे भी ऊपर एम्पलीट्यूड ऐसे जाना चाहिए. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट में P. Light, amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Thank you. Now I would like to start from the components of laser. ठीक है. Please, आज का लेक्चर बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, so please listen carefully. Components of laser. Components of a laser. ठीक है. We will discuss the components of a laser. So see, laser have three components. Laser have three components. What is called pumping? One is called pumping. The second is called active medium. The second is called active medium. And the last but not least is called optical regulator. Optical regulator. ठीक है. Optical regulator. Okay, patients. ठीक है. Laser have three components. First is called pumping, second is called active medium, third is called optical regulator. So we will discuss one by one. ठीक है. One by one and each point. ठीक है. So pumping, you know, I think we have discussed a lot about the pumping, but let us start again from the pumping. What do you mean by pumping? Pumping means to give energy to atoms, to give energy to atoms. And just like we pump air in our cycle tire or in our vehicle tire. Similarly, so to pump means to give energy to atom. And energy can be any one of the ways. Like it can be optical pumping in the shape of photons. It can be in the form of the electrical energy. It can be in the form of the X-ray energy. It can be in the form of the chemical energy. Okay. But in the solid state laser, optical pumping is used. Optical pumping is used. What do you mean by optical pumping? We simply inject a photon. To the atoms present in the ground state. So please write. Pumping means. एक लाइन लिखिए. A pump is basically to give energy to atoms. A pump is basically energy source for a laser. A pump is basically a energy source for a laser. It gives energy. Second point, it gives energy to the atoms. It gives energy to the atoms. It gives energy to the atoms in the laser medium. It gives energy to the atoms in the laser medium and excite them to the higher energy state, so that please write with the red pen, so that population inversion is achieved. As well as maintained. With respect to time, let us again explaining. This is a pumping mechanism. will happen? T1, T2, ground state, excited state. So this is a H2 photon. Energy is a band gap energy. Energy is equal to the band gap energy. So by the injection of this electron, by the absorption of this electron, by this atom in the ground state, the atom will excite to the higher position. So what is the basic function of this pumping? So pumping causes, if somebody asks, pumping implies a population inversion. Yes, sustained population. Sustained population. So this is the function of the sustained. This is the function of the pumping. So by the action of pumping, what will happen? Initially क्या था? Initially N1 is greater than N2. It means pumping breaks thermal equilibrium. Pumping breaks thermal equilibrium. So after pumping, by the action of pumping, what will happen? N2 greater than N1. N2 greater than N1, and this is called a population inversion. This is called a, and once the population inversion has been achieved and maintained, what would happen? What would happen? Laser action. What will happen? Laser action will occur. Laser action will take place. Laser action will take place. I think we have detailed. I think we have discussed very much about the pumping. So I think this is quite well about the pumping. So pumping causes a population inversion. अगर कोई आपसे पूछे what is the physical significance of pumping? What is the utility of the pumping? In the one word, what would you say? The pumping causes a sustained population inversion. Pumping causes a, please say in one voice, pumping causes a sustained population inversion, and which is required for the laser action to take place. Because once the population inversion has been achieved and maintained, the stimulated emission will take place. The stimulated emission will take place. And once the stimulated emission will take place, ultimately the laser action will take place. ठीक है दीपक? ठीक है? The second point is active medium. The second point is active medium. Please write. Can you write this? Please. This is N1. This is N2. Coherence समझ आया आपको? Coherence. You have idea about the coherence, spatial coherence and temporal coherence? The next point is, please write, laser medium. Sorry, active medium. The second point is active medium. The second point is active medium. Please write first point. Active medium, when energy is given to a laser medium, when energy is given to a laser medium by using a pumping, when energy is given to the active medium, when energy is given to an active medium by using a pumping, is given to a laser medium. ऐसे लिखो, when energy is given to a laser medium by using a pumping, comma, only a small fraction of laser medium shows laser action. Only a small fraction of laser medium only a small fraction of laser medium shows laser action. This part of, please write with the red pen, this part of laser medium is called the active medium. This part of laser medium is called a active medium. ठीक है? It is simply saying that in the laser medium only fraction of the atoms are responsible for the laser action, and that fraction of atoms are called active medium. ठीक है? I'll give you an example. The atoms oblique molecules of active medium, are called active centers. The atoms or oblique molecules of the active medium are called active center. For example, अभी समझ में आएगा. For example, E dot G का मतलब होता है for example, in case of ruby laser, हाँ जी, aluminium oxide is doped with chromium oxide. This is called a laser medium. Aluminium oxide is doped with the chromium oxide, but laser action will take place due to only the chromium ions. So this is called, chromium oxide is called chromium ions are called active medium.
Chromium oxide.
When aluminium oxide is doped with the chromium oxide, comma, the laser action will take place due to chromium ions only. The laser action will take place due to chromium ions only. ठीक है? Aluminium oxide plus chromium oxide is called the laser medium. And this chromium oxide is called the active medium. Chromium oxide is called the active medium, and chromium ions are called active centers. Are you getting the idea? Aluminium oxide plus chromium oxide is called laser medium. Chromium oxide is called active medium, and chromium ions are called active centers. Similarly for helium neon laser. Second example is similarly for helium neon laser. It is a gas laser. But laser action takes place. But laser action occurs due to only neon atoms. So neon atoms are active medium, or active center or active medium. ठीक है? Helium neon laser, the laser action takes place due to the neon atoms. But due to the neon atoms only. So neon atoms are called active medium or active center. Third point. ये समझ आया? Are you getting this? I think it's quite simple. Yes. Now the third is optical resonator, and that is very, very important. Please start Alice. This is called a laser medium. These are called active centers. These are called active centers. These are called, these dots are called active center. One photon, one stimulating photon will create a two photon, two further, 1, 3, 4 will create 8. Please make a diagram neat and clean. Diagram के नंबर है please make a diagram. This whole setup is called a optical resonator. This whole setup is called a optical resonator. See, in the optical resonator we have two plane mirrors. We have placed two plane mirrors. This is called a M1 mirror. This is called a M2 mirror. ठीक है? This M2 mirror has a 100% reflectivity. ठीक है? This is totally reflecting mirror. This is a totally reflecting mirror. Totally reflecting mirror means, what does this mean? This suggests that if 100 light waves will strike this point, then it will reflect 100 back to the laser medium. जो भी लाइट बेटा यहाँ से आएगी, it will यहाँ पे इंसिडेंट करेगी, पूरी लाइट ये रिफ्लेक्ट करके वापस कहाँ पे भेजेगा? लेजर मीडियम में. ठीक है? And this mirror M1 is called a partially reflecting mirror. See, the mirror which have the total reflecting mirror, it is called a 100% reflectivity coefficient. ठीक है? Its reflection coefficient is 100%, and on the probability base 100% is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. What's the maximum probability? 1. And what is the minimum probability? 0. ठीक है? Similarly, it's a partially reflecting mirror. It means what are the space? It means whatever the light will incident on this mirror, it will partly reflect this light and partly transmit this light. ठीक है? तो देखो जो भी लाइट यहाँ पे आई, इससे क्या किया? इससे partly reflect the light to the laser medium, and partly light will give us the laser output. Will give us the laser. ठीक है? And this whole setup is called a laser medium. This whole setup is called a laser medium, and these dots are called active centers. These dots are called active centers. ठीक है? So what will happen? Again क्या होगा? पहले दो लाइन लिख लीजिए. ये optical resonator is set up. A optical resonator is set up. A optical resonator 2 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन आता है, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय ऑप्टिकल रेजोनेटर, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय ऑप्टिकल रेजोनेटर। ये ऑप्टिकल रेजोनेटर is set up, a optical resonator is set up which is used to obtain user amplification of stimulated photons, which is used to obtain amplification of stimulated photons। तो ये क्या कर रहा है, amplification of stimulated photons by oscillating them back and forth, by oscillating them back and forth, between two extreme limits. What are the extreme limits? Mirror M1 and mirror M2. Between two extreme limits. Full stop. Second point. It consists of two plane mirrors. Placed coaxially. What do you mean by coaxially? दोनों की एक्सेस क्या है? सेम। Placed coaxially. It consists of two plane mirrors. Placed coaxially. Third point, one of the mirror M1 is partially reflecting. One of the mirror M1 is partially reflecting, and another mirror M2 is completely reflecting. One of the mirror M1 is partially reflecting. And another mirror M2 is called a completely reflecting mirror. Last point. At which end we will get the laser output across the partially reflecting mirror. Last point लिखिए. We will get the laser output. Across the partially reflecting mirror. We will get the laser output at the across the partially reflecting mirror. Next point here, cavity heading बनाइए. What is cavity? What do you mean by resonant cavity or cavity? What do you mean by cavity? The space between two mirrors is called a cavity. So see, it will form a cavity. The space between two plane mirrors is called a cavity. Next one लिखिए. When population inversion is achieved using pumping, then one or more atoms, active centers, right bell में. When population inversion is achieved by using pumping, then one or more atoms, कौन से एटम? Which atoms? Active centers. Yes, then one or more atoms, active centers, may de-excite spontaneously by emitting a photon of energy. Next point. ये फोटोन क्या काम करेगा?
By emitting.
What is the function of this photon? This photon will act as a stimulant. Will act as a stimulant. This photon will act as a stimulant.
By emitting.
This photon,
Sir, by emitting.
by emitting a photon of energy. This photon will act as a stimulant. Use a red pen. This photon will act as a stimulant for other active centers. For other active centers present in the laser medium. Present in the laser medium. Like see, our class is laser medium. Our class is a laser medium, and we all are active centers. We all are active centers. ठीक है? It initiates. Then it initiates stimulated emission. Then it initiates. जैसे लिख लीजिए, then it start stimulated emission. Then it start stimulated emission. The rest of the story you know. What will happen? See, once the population inversion has been achieved, once the population inversion has been achieved by using pumping, then one of the atom spontaneously get de-excited by emitting a photon, and this photon will act as a stimulate for the other atoms, other active centers in the laser medium. So what will happen? Stimulated emission will start. Well, this is a similar process. हिंदी में बताता हूँ. This is a similar process. किसी एक बच्चे का मन हुआ मूवी देखने का, तो वो दूसरे को क्या करता है? स्टिमुलेट करता है, ट्रिगर करता है कि आप भी मेरे साथ चलो. तो पहले का मूवी देखना क्या है? स्पॉन्टेनियस. दूसरे का क्या है? स्टिमुलेट. तो सी, ये फोटोन किसका है? This is the first photon. This first photon is caused by the spontaneous emission. And now see, एक से कितने बने? One photon will further create two photons. One is for the spontaneous emission and another is from the stimulated emission. So one stimulating photon. ऐसे लिखो. One stimulating photon will create how much photons? Two photons. And these photons will act as a stimulant. Will act as a stimulant for other active centers. Other active centers present in the laser medium. ठीक है? So one stimulating photon will create two photons, and these two photons are called a stimulated emissions. ठीक है? So these two stimulating photons will further create four photons. It means 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2. Further, these four photons will act as a stimulant for the atoms present in the laser medium. What will happen? 8 photons, 2 raised to power 3. So by this way, we will get a 2 raised to power n number of photons. We will get a 2 raised to power n number of photons. See, this is very interesting story. 1, 2, 4, 8. Now what will happen? See, when they will pass from the laser medium, they will strike at the mirror M1. What will happen? See what will happen. It is a partially reflecting. It's a partially reflecting mirror. So what will happen? It will sum of the light, some of the energy, some of the part of the light will transmit, and some of the light will reflected back to the laser medium. Will reflected back to the laser medium. Now see. These photons are again entering in the laser medium. What will they do? They will stimulate. They will act as a stimulating. They will act as a stimulating photon. They will act as a stimulating photon in the laser medium. So what they will do? They will trigger or excite to the other active centers, present in the laser medium for creating a stimulated emission. So see what is happening. The number of photons are getting increasing. By which phenomena? Spontaneous or stimulated? Number of photons are increasing. By which phenomena? Stimulated emission. So that is why we have used the term feedback. This is called a feedback photon. These are called the feedback photons because they are again entering. In the laser medium. दे आर अगेन एंटरिंग इन दी लेजर मीडियम। हिंदी में बताऊं दोस्तों, हिंदी में बताऊं? देखो बेटा, जब यहां से फोटो निकले मिरर M1 पे स्ट्राइक हुए तो दिस आर पार्शियल रिफ्लेक्टिंग मिरर, तो आधे कुछ फोटोन्स इधर चले जाएंगे जो क्या देंगे हमें लेजर लाइट, क्या देंगे लेजर लाइट। जो बच गए रिफ्लेक्टिंग हो गए तो वो किस में जाएंगे, लेजर मीडियम में जाएंगे। अब लेजर मीडियम में कौन बैठा है, कौन से भाई साहब बैठे हैं, एक्टिव सेंटर बैठे हैं। तो वो एक्टिव सेंटर्स को क्या करेंगे, एक्टिव सेंटर से अपना स्टिमुलेटेड एमिशन क्रिएट करेंगे, जिससे कि नंबर ऑफ फोटोन्स बढ़ेगा, नंबर ऑफ फोटोन्स बढ़ेगा। तो इसीलिए हमने इन फोटोन्स को क्या कहा है, दीस फोटोन्स आर कॉल्ड फीडबैक फोटोन्स, दीस आर कॉल्ड फीडबैक। ठीक है, तो इससे हो क्या रहा, तो इससे क्या हो रहा है कि नंबर ऑफ स्टिमुलेटेड एमिशन, इससे क्या हो रहा है कि नंबर ऑफ फोटोन्स गेट्स इंक्रीजिंग, नंबर ऑफ फोटोन्स गेट्स इंक्रीजिंग बाय व्हिच फिनोमेना, स्टिमुलेटेड एमिशन, बाय व्हिच फिनोमेना, स्टिमुलेटेड एमिशन। ठीक है, मान लो पहली बार में 5 थे, आगे के 10 हो गए, और 10 के 10 फोटोन कहां पे स्ट्राइक किए, कहां पे स्ट्राइक किए, M2 पे। व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ M2, वो क्या करेगा, रिफ्लेक्ट, वो क्या करेगा, रिफ्लेक्ट। तो 10 के 10 फोटोन वापस कहां पे आ गए, फिर लेजर मीडियम पे आ गए। तो इट मींस जहां से भी जो फोटोन आएंगे उनको भी हम क्या कहेंगे, फीडबैक फोटोन्स, क्या कहेंगे, फीडबैक फोटोन्स। आर यू गेटिंग द पॉइंट, आर यू गेटिंग द पॉइंट? प्लीज attention this, when these photons get strike to this mirror M2, and this is a totally reflecting mirror, this is a totally reflecting mirror. Let us suppose the 10 photons are striking, let us suppose initially the 10 photons are striking. So what will happen, it will again reflect back 10 photons. If 10 photons are striking, it means it will reflect back 10 photons. Why? Because it is a totally reflecting mirror. So these 10 photons are again entering in the laser medium to stimulate or trigger active center, to stimulate or trigger active center present in the laser medium. So it means these photons, it means these photons are also called a feedback photons, are also called the feedback photons. Are you getting a point? तो ये फोटोन्स क्या काम करेंगे, फीडबैक। सो देखो, तो सी, तो दिस प्रोसेस कंटिन्यूज, so light will travel by this and each and every single reflection, and after each and every single reflection what will happen, the number of photons gets increased, the number of stimulated emission will increase. Are you getting the point? Number of photons will increase means number of stimulated emission will increase, and we will get a laser output. We will get a laser output across the partially reflecting mirror. And see, the whole photons, this whole photons will travel to the direction of the initially spontaneously emitted generated photon. जिस बंदे ने पहली बार कहा कि I have to watch the movie, वो जो मूवी देखेगा सारे के सारे बच्चे वही मूवी देखेंगे, ऐसे होगा ना। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ somebody wants to see 3 Idiots, है ना, और एनी मूवी, द मैन हू न्यू इन्फिनिटी, तो बाकी के बाकी सारे भी कौन से देखेंगे, द मैन हू न्यू इन्फिनिटी, बिकॉज वो बाकी सारे क्या हैं, स्टिमुलेटेड। बाकी सारे कैसे मूवी देख रहे हैं, बाय स्टिमुलेटेड, बाय स्टिमुलेशन फिनोमेना, बाय स्टिमुलेशन फिनोमेना। आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? एंड सी, व्हेन दिस प्रोसेस इज अकरिंग, जब ये सारा कुछ हो रहा होगा तो कुछ फोटोन्स ऐसे भी होंगे जो कहेंगे कि हमने ये मूवी नहीं देखनी है, कुछ बच्चे ऐसे भी होंगे ना जो कहेंगे हमने ये मूवी नहीं देखनी है। तो see, by similar way, these are photons which are not traveling parallel to the initially spontaneously generated photons. So what will happen? They will get lost. They will get lost. So these photons are called lost photons. These photons are called lost. So what is happening? See, what is the crux? What is the crux? What is the central idea of this thing, of this whole story? See, the light is what is happening? The light is reflect. The light is traveling back and forth. The light is traveling back and forth. And by this, each and every time, what is happening? This is called amplification. This is called I think you have asked the question one day, na? What is the meaning of amplification? So this is the function of. That is why laser is called a laser amplification. Laser amplification. अब पता लग गया? Now you know the meaning of amplification. Why it is called amplification? Because after each reflection it gets amplified. It gets amplified. So see, this is the example of the oscillator. This is the same thing which is happening in the oscillator. That you have, I think, might have studied in your 10+2 class. तो आपने 10+2 में ऑसिलेटर पढ़ा कि नहीं पढ़ा? तो ये हो क्या रहा है बेसिकली? ऑसिलेशन आर हैपनिंग. ये क्या हो रहा है? This is called a oscillation of light. This is called a oscillation of light. This is a back and forth motion of the oscillation of light. But what is the फायदा? What is the utility of this oscillation? The amplification. We are getting our amplification. Amplification means we are getting a more number of photons. By which phenomena? Due to stimulated emission. Due to stimulated emission. So this, see, oscillator में भी feedback होती है. याद है कि नहीं याद है? 10+2 में करते थे. This is called oscillator. This is input. This is output. This is called a feedback. याद है कि नहीं याद है? याद है? So this example, oscillator example is similar to our laser example. The same thing is happening. Again, this feedback photons, these feedback photons are acting like this, and this oscillator is the oscillator. The function of the oscillator is done by the light, by the oscillation of light. So this is called the oscillation of light. And this system is completely resembled to the oscillator system in which feedback is there. And feedback कर कौन रहा है? Who is the responsible? Who is the main agency for the feedback? ये कर रहा है, mirror कर रहे हैं. कौन कर रहे हैं? And the combination of these two mirrors is called an optical resonator. It's called a. अगर कोई आपसे पूछे, somebody asks what is optical resonator, so what would you answer? The combination of the two plane mirrors plays coaxially is called a optical resonator. So it means what is the function of optical resonator? ये क्या कर रहा है optical resonator? Amplification of. तो ये amplification कर रहा है. क्या कर रहा है? What does it doing? It is called it do the amplification. Are you getting the point? So now I can put the laser. Now I can place the another name. I can give another name to a laser. Can I call laser to a loser? Loser, L-O-S-E-R. Loser. So laser is also called a loser. Given a single voice, laser is also called a loser. मजा नहीं आया, डायरेक्टर ऑप्शन जाए. Laser is also called a loser. Laser is also called a loser. Why it is called a loser? Light oscillation by stimulated emission of radiation. तो कल से दोनों बोलेंगे, आज से बोलेंगे. एक बार बोलिए. Light oscillation by stimulated emission of radiation. Thank you. And another name is light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Thank you. So laser is also called So laser is also called a loser. ठीक है, मैं लिख देता हूँ यहाँ पे light oscillation by stimulated emission of radiation. And later light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. So 2 marks का क्वेश्चन आता है कई बार. Sometimes the question can in the laser can we replace A by O? Yes. Can we replace A by O? Yes. We can replace A by O. Why? Because the term A stands for the amplification and the term O stands for the oscillation. And the later is of because in this the oscillation the oscillation of light takes place. The oscillation of light takes place. बेटा कर कौन रहा है? Which is the main agency जो कि लाइट की ऑसिलेशन कर रही है? रेजोनेटर. क्या कर रहा है? ऑप्टिकल रेजोनेटर. और ऑप्टिकल रेजोनेटर बेटा क्या होता है? Combination of the two plane mirrors. Combination of the two plane mirrors placed coaxially. Placed तो समझ आया आपको? लिख सकते हो आप? या लिखवाऊं दो लाइनें? लिख लो दो लाइनें. The emitted photons act as a stimulant for the emitted photons. आप खुद बना सकते हो. The emitted photons act as a stimulant for other active centers. Stimulant for other active centers in the laser medium. In the laser medium. And their number gets increased, and number of photons and number of emitted photons goes on increasing, and number of emitted photons goes on increasing, and number of emitted photons goes on increasing. Next one लिखिए. All these photons using the red pen, all these photons travel parallel. All these photons travel parallel. किसके parallel? जो सबसे पहले फोटोन हुआ था. All these photons travel parallel to the initially spontaneously generated photon. All these photons travel parallel. All these photons travel parallel to the initially spontaneously generated photon. And if by chance, see, this is called a principal axis. This is called a principal axis of the mirror. This is called a principal axis. And if by chance these photons is traveling along the principal axis of the mirror, and if by chance these photons is traveling along the principal axis of the mirror, then beam of parallel photons is reflected by the mirror F1. Beam of parallel photons is reflected by the mirror M1, while the transmitted part of the beam gives us the laser output. Next point. These reflected photons from mirror M1. These reflected photons from the mirror M1 will act as a feedback. For the active medium. These reflected photons from the mirror M1 will act as a feedback for the laser medium. And they will increase stimulated emission. You can create your own definition. And they will increase or enhance. They will enhance or increase stimulated emission. Next point, when this beam of photons is incident on a mirror M2. Yes, when this beam of photon get incident on the mirror M2, ब्रैकेट में लिख लेना, which is totally reflecting mirror, which is a totally reflective mirror. When this beam of photon get incident on the mirror M2 in bracket, which is totally reflecting mirror, then they will get totally reflected back. Then they will get totally reflected back in the laser medium. Then they will totally get reflected back in the laser medium. Bracket laser medium to increase stimulated emission. To increase stimulated emission. ब्रैकेट में लिख लीजिए, प्लीज राइट इन द ब्रैकेट. दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड अ फीडबैक एक्शन. So what is happening? Mirror M2 is also acting as a feedback. ठीक है. So by this light oscillate between two mirrors. So by this action light oscillate between the two mirrors M1 and M2 to increase stimulated emission. So that is why we can call laser as a loser. Where term O stand for oscillation. And term A stand for amplification. Where term O stand for oscillation and term A stand for amplification. So we can replace A by O. तो इसके ऐसे लिख लीजिए बेटा लास्ट में, जैसे मैंने लिखा लेजर लूजर. पेशेंस, लेजर मीन्स लाइट amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. This is also called light oscillation by stimulated emission of radiation. Why we can call it as a loser? Because this is called a oscillation of light. And this process is called a amplification. So by this we can call laser as a. So this is the basic function of the laser. How the laser works. So the main agency which is required for the laser action is this optical resonator. This is for the optical resonator, which is acting as a feedback. If somebody asks what is the function of optical resonator, what does this means? तो इसका one word answer है, it is basically acting as a feedback device and it will increase the stimulated emission. तो ठीक है. So this is about the basic idea of the component of laser. So now we will do the semiconductor laser. That is a part of your syllabus. Semiconductor laser. ऐसा करते हैं कि 1 मिनट का ब्रेक ले लेते हैं, ठीक है. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में करते हैं सेमीकंडक्टर लेजर. अगर आपको आज का सेशन अच्छा लगा हो, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक्स टू गॉड, थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग विद अस. अगर आज का लेक्चर अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए. तो आज बच्चों के साथ एक बार विदा लेते हैं आपसे. तो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में मिलते हैं. एक बार घुमाना जरा इस तरफ. तो सी अवर स्टूडेंट्स, तो मिलते हैं अगले सेशन में. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.